Today we guessed it not feeling well. Seek out some of the military nursery or uniform. This is just part of the anti-assistance you get. Here's one of the quotes. We really don't know there's going to be a big crowd in 4 days. We have high grade confidence. We're getting closer. Getting things to the way. All day. System display, 452nd, and everything that supports this base too, and the static display area is in Hamel. Buzzing by in the folds of honor biplane celebrating the American family. As part of our air show this afternoon and taking part in our opening ceremonies, he is airborne now. As we get even closer to go time, the KC-135 taxiing out as we continue to prepare aircraft. Bill, did you want to test that wireless mic for later this afternoon? It sounds great. We'll get a little more volume when you get here, but we're ready, sir. Another test complete now as we get closer to go time. Opening the canopies above us. Rebecca, that's scary looking stuff.
It is scary, but they work hard. They train every season to put on the best performance. So the first come up to see with the best smoke is actually Corporal Keaton Short. He is a financial service administrator from Birmingham, Ontario.
Sam? Oh yeah, they're doing it on purpose.
So 7 good canopies is good news. I should point out too that Miss Riverdale is with us for the opening ceremonies. In a few minutes she'll be singing the anthem. Taylor Lemaine is the winner of the Miss Riverside Scholarship Program. She's going to be singing the national anthem, promoting women in science and aviation, as well as the same program as a scholarship program.
Record for the most third. I can tell right now he's maybe at 7, 8. You might wondering if he gets dizzy starting this fast. But no, he's actually fixing a point on the ground, so he's great afterwards.
And the ground is a great reflector of sound, folks, so if you enjoyed that, give him a round of applause because our jumpers can hear it clearly from where they are. Give it up for the Canadian Forces Skyhawks! Now I see
Cruising in the sky at about 20 miles per hour.
I'm going to tell you all about Boyd and that sailplane a little later in the show today when he's back on stage, along with Ed, who also will have a show coming up later this afternoon. But I had never seen this 30 plus years of doing air shows. To see the jumper circled by a sailplane is really dramatic. Round and round they go.